you are a public figure, and how easy was it for you to kind of, to accept your body, the changes?
I was in a happy zone. My family, if I was putting on weight, I was completely happy that I'm holding my own flesh and blood. But yes, when I delivered Tara, it took me a while because my stitches used to hurt a lot, and it was painful. It was definitely very painful. Then body changing, body is still not the same. If you say that जो पहले मेरी body थी, it's not the same.
So, as an actor, did you feel any pressure to bounce back, or were their eyes looking at you, waiting on you as to when are you going to look, just the way you looked,
Never,
before?
never. That has never happened with me. I don't lose weight for people. I don't lose weight to look good for people. If I want to lose weight, it is for my health and for myself.
Hi everyone. So today we have the incredible Mahi Vij with us. She's not only an incredible actor, but also an inspiring mother. Her path to motherhood wasn't easy. It was a path filled with vulnerability, resilience, and strength. So let's dive deep and understand that what this roller coaster motherhood journey was like for her. Welcome, Mahi. Welcome to another podcast by Prega Talks. And today we're going to talk about your postpartum journey and your journey of rediscovering yourself.
I call the most important part of.
So, postpartum is the first 40 days after childbirth. And what was your journey like during these 40 days?
So these 40 days, switching on nannies and jhapas and not getting the correct one was the only stress I had because Tara was a 30 weeker. And by the time we got her home, she had completed her weeks. But then, I didn't know how to handle a baby who is who's a premature baby. So I had this nurse in the morning and in the night, and they used to tell me कि आप जाके सो जाओ because आपको बेबी को फीड करना है तो आपके लिए रेस्ट करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट आई वाज सो दिस थिंग कि मैं ना बड़ी इम्पेशेंट सी थी, एंड एज आई सेड आई एम वेरी इंट्यूटिव. तो मैं रूम में आ जाती थी और 7 रूम्स थे, तो मैं रूम में आ जाती थी. आई नेवर यूज्ड टू गेट स्लीप. आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक पता नहीं क्या हो रहा होगा मेरी बेबी. एंड देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन आई सॉ द नर्स sleeping with a bottle, and that made me like कि जो माँ कर सकती है वो कोई नहीं. आप you give them lakh of rupees also, or lakhs and lakhs of rupees also, they will not never be the mother because that's not there. So that's when I decided I do not want to have a nurse. मैं गिर गिर के सीखूंगी, फेल होते होते पास होंगी, but I will do it on my own. That's when
You took charge yourself.
I took charge, and I was so finicky. You won't believe. ये ऐसा पता नहीं myth है क्या है, बोलते हैं कि ठंडे पानी में पैर नहीं डालने चाहिए, ये हाथ नहीं डालने चाहिए. आई यूज्ड टू एक्चुअली वॉश तारा's क्लोथ्स. तो मुझे थोड़ा वो था कि उसको कोई स्किन एलर्जी नहीं होनी चाहिए. नॉर्मली तो बच्चे के जब पैदा होता है तो हाथ से ही कपड़े धोते हैं, बट आई वाज सो फिनिकी दैट आई डिडंट अलाउ एनी मेड टू कम होम बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक कि पता नहीं कितने घरों में काम करके एंड देन दे वॉशिंग माय चाइल्ड्स क्लोथ्स. So I used to do all that, and the massage was taken care by Jay because in NICU he was taking care of the massage part, and bathing was also very this thing. I was very scared because she was very small. तो ये सब में इतना टाइम निकल गया कि मुझे ये पोस्टमार्टम डिप्रेशन या कुछ एहसास ही नहीं हुआ. मैं इतनी बिजी थी इस चीज़ों में. बट पोस्टमार्टम is a very serious issue. It's a very serious thing. Like I earlier said, that you need a partner who has to support you, love you, pamper you, understand कि टेम्पर इश्यूज हैं, शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड हो रही है, मूड स्विंग्स हो रहे हैं, and postpartum can go to any extent of depression, because your body changes. When you see yourself in the mirror, you're not the same. You get pigmentation, you get a lot of things. Your skin changes, your whole body
Loose
changes
skin,
completely.
muscle laxity, you
Yes.
different, and you feel different.
Yes, you feel different. You don't feel beautiful.
Yeah, and while you're pregnant, you look cute.
And everybody
Baby
wants
bump and all.
everybody wants to feel beautiful. Everybody wants to feel pretty, and वो एक टाइम आता है जहाँ पे जब आपका पार्टनर भी आपका साथ नहीं देता ना, that's when you break down. That's when you feel. And I've seen partners who say, अरे तू तो इतनी मोटी हो गई है, थोड़ा वेट का कुछ कर, स्किन क्यों खराब लग रही है तेरी, rather than being saying it's okay. you know. You got a human out of you, you know. It's okay, it's fine, you
It's
know.
not a joke.
Yeah, I mean, you've got a human out of you, you've got a life out of you, you know. So it's okay to look this way, and it's okay to put on weight, and I'm okay with everything. And if you need anything, you let me know. Can I cook for you, or can I do something for you to make you feel special? Can I take you out for dinner, and can I do something which will make you feel special? Can we just, the two of us, have that, you know,
That
that
bond.
our time, you know.
Yeah.
So that,
Me time.
so this is what helps you get through postpartum. And we need to educate our sons कि भैया ये भी कुछ होता है, ये नहीं कि अरे छोड़ दो उसको, अरे कर लेगी, you know, no, this is a serious issue.
And how easy was it for you to recover physically? Because there are stitches, there are, like, I mean, body dysmorphia, your body goes through so many changes. You are a public figure. And how easy was it for you to kind of, to accept your body, the changes, and then bounce back?
I was in a happy zone. My even if I was putting on weight, I was completely happy that I'm holding my own flesh and blood, you know. But yes, nowadays people are quickly getting slimmer and getting back to work. When I delivered Tara, it took me a while because my stitches used to hurt a lot, and it was painful. It was definitely very painful. Then body changing, body is still not the same, you know. If you say that jo pehle meri body thi, it's not the same, but you have to feel good, and you have to be like, okay, you know,
To accept it and
yes,
happy about it.
you have to have a good heart. Body doesn't make a difference.
I agree. So how did you deal with exhaustion at that point in time? Like you said that you decided to take everything on yourself. You said that, well, I don't need a nurse. I'll probably look after my baby all by myself. So how was that journey for you? How did you deal with that exhaustion, sleepless nights? I'm sure it must be difficult.
Yeah, but I used to laugh, and I used to be like, you know, my mommy used to come, my brother used to come. They used to tell me, now you sleep, take a nap, you know. Now when I think of it, that my family was pretty helpful, you know, and माँ ही है जो बोलती है बेटा हम देख लेंगे तू जाके सो जा, you know. So that happened with me also, you know. I had yes, definitely there were sleepless nights, and there were days when I used to be like, जब मुझे नींद आती है तब बेबी उठ जाता है, एंड यू नो दे से कि जब बेबी सो रहा है तो आप भी सो जाओ, पर कभी वो होता नहीं, बिकॉज यू फील कि अरे बहुत सारा काम है जो इनकम्प्लीट है, वी हैव टू फिनिश दैट, एंड बाय द टाइम यू थिंक यू विल स्लीप और यू विल हैव योर चाय और कॉफी, द बेबी वेक्स अप एंड द बेबी नीड्स यू, you know. That's when you realize what is unconditional love and what is giving, and what is as a woman, you don't prioritize yourself, you prioritize your child, you know.
Exactly. So early motherhood is, when the initial days, or I would say initial weeks of motherhood is very overwhelming. And that's when you completely lose yourself to, to that new feeling of, becoming a mother. I mean, looking after that little tiny human being. And how long did it take for you to reconnect with yourself, to probably, like, just to get that girl back who, who was not a mother before the pregnancy happened? So did it take long for you to come back to yourself, to reconnect with yourself, to refine yourself, or you just went along the way? I mean, how was it for you?
For me, it was not like, you know, I have to get back to work, or I have to go out, or I have to be a girl again, or I have to, the biggest thing is that your family and friends have to adjust, because who are not parents yet, like your friends who are not parents yet, they have to adjust to your timing, and they have to. There were times when my friends used to come and I would be sleeping, or I would be taking care of the child, you know, and I couldn't give them time. But that moment you need friends to understand you, you know. You cannot change your day plan, you cannot change your this thing कि baby आज क्या कर रहा है, या baby has not pooped, baby has not this, baby is not drinking milk, baby is puking. So you know आपका पूरा time उसमें निकल जाता है, you know. But the friends need to adjust with your timing and with your, you know, thing. They मतलब आप फ़ोन नहीं उठाते हो. When I checked my phone after 6 months, I had about 1,000 messages.
Oh my God.
So unread messages, you know. So I was like, you know,
And
you
that's
don't
okay.
get time.
That's okay.
That's
Yeah.
okay, and you don't get time. The congratulations messages and so many messages I could not read. Because I could not see my phone, you know. So because all the time is going to your child.
So as an actor, did you feel any pressure to bounce back, or to, I mean, were their eyes looking at you waiting on you as to when are you going to look, just the way you looked,
Never,
before?
never. That has never happened with me. Um, I don't lose weight for people. I don't lose weight to look good for people. If I want to lose weight, it is for my health and for myself. It is not for.
You don't take any pressure of,
No, why should I lose weight for people I don't know? I mean, I'm good the way I am. I become 32, I eat, I go for vacations, I put on weight and I come back. It's okay. It's my life. If I want to look good, I will look good. If I want to dress up, I will dress up. If I want to be in my pajamas, I'll be in my pajamas, you know. I don't have to live for others, I have to live for myself, you know. So that pressure I never take, you know. कि मुझे दूसरों के लिए जीना है, मुझे have to get back to work. No, I have earned a lot. I have earned a lot. I have worked a lot. You know, I started working at a very early age. तो काम भी मैंने बहुत कर लिया है, पैसे भी बहुत कमा लिए हैं, touch wood. And बस यू कैन नॉट बी नंबर वन ऑल द टाइम, यू नो. यू कैन नॉट से कि मैं वहीं पे रहूँगी सारा टाइम, बस आई विल बी यू नो इन पब्लिक लाइमलाइट और अराउंड द पैप्स और दिस एंड दैट. नो,
You've been there, done
दिस
that.
इज
and now you
द हाँ, हर चीज़ का वक्त होता है और उस वक्त को अगर आप अच्छे से जाते हो उस वक्त के साथ, तभी आपको ज़िंदगी आगे बढ़ती है. अगर आप उधर ही अटके रहोगे, अब आप 40 साल में आप 20 साल के नहीं हो सकते, तो अगर आप आगे नहीं बढ़ोगे तो फिर वो आप ही के लिए प्रॉब्लम है, किसी के लिए प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड डोंट लिव फॉर अदर्स, यू हैव टू लिव फॉर योरसेल्फ. यू हैव टू लूज वेट इफ यू डोंट फील गुड अबाउट योरसेल्फ,
Exactly.
you know, not for others.
So how did you manage your emotional and your mental health in those difficult days, like the first 40 days or the first 3 months when the baby is still very tiny? And what did you do specially to kind of to look after your mental health and your emotional well-being?
Firstly, you have to help yourself. Nobody is coming to save you. You have to help yourself. मैंने जैसे पहले भी बोला, ये आपकी जर्नी है, या तो खुशी खुशी कर लो या तो फिर दुखी दुखी करो. दैट अप टू यू. इट्स ओनली गोइंग टू हार्म यू. खुशी खुशी करोगे, दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. अगर दुखी दुखी करोगे, दैट विल ऑल्सो हार्म यू, यू नो. ना किसी का कुछ नहीं जाने वाला. आज सब चीज़ें बदल जाएंगी, बट यू हैव टू बी सेन फॉर योर चाइल्ड. आपको अपना जो एज अ मदर आपको काम रहना है, कंपोज रहना है फॉर योर चाइल्ड. बिकॉज वो क्रूशल टाइम है जब आपका बच्चे को आपकी सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है.
And what do you believe that new moms they need emotionally, medically, socially? What kind of a support do you think can make their journey easy? If you have to look back today, do you think that anything could have happened differently, or anything that you would like audience to know as to this can be done this way for their journey to be smoother?
As I said, you have to have gratitude. You have to be calm, composed. Yes, the partner works like पार्टनर का बहुत ज़्यादा साथ की ज़रूरत होती है. पार्टनर है तो आपकी जर्नी काफ़ी स्मूथ हो जाती है. योर पेरेंट्स हेल्प यू. योर मदर इज़ द most important
So
part.
ask for help basically. If
Yeah,
you need
it is
help, ask for it.
Yeah, of course, you should ask for it. If you think you can ask for it, you should ask for it.
So what would you like to tell all the young girls, the young women over there who are trying to conceive, they're trying to kind of, be mothers? What would you like to kind of, tell them now that you've lived your full journey of motherhood and your daughter is 16?
I feel you should have babies at a young age. You can be with your baby, play with your baby at a young age, and the baby can, you know, grow as you grow, and you can have because अभी क्या होता है ना, when you get pregnant and when you deliver late, the fear of not being there for your child at some age, you feel कि अरे पता नहीं 20 साल बाद हम रहेंगे नहीं रहेंगे, वो बहुत ख्याल आता है. That is the only fear I have in life, but people who have had kids when they were 25, 26, by the time they're in the 40s, the bachcha is also 20, 25, so
you
that way
you
that
get to
fear I
enjoy
have.
your motherhood as much more.
मदरहुड भी इंजॉय करते हो. यू हैव एनर्जी टू रन अराउंड, वो एक चीज़ है. आप कुछ भी करते हो बिकॉज आपके अंदर वो इतना स्टेमिना एनर्जी रहता है करने का. यू आर ऑल्सो यंग, so I always say that you should always get pregnant at an early stage of life when you are young. Let your child grow with you and enjoy, then having a child later. It मतलब कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि यार हमारे फाइनेंसेस में बड़ी अभी प्रॉब्लम है, अभी नहीं करेंगे. बट बाद में अगर आपको IVF करना पड़ा तो आपको डबल द मनी पे करना पड़ेगा टू गेट अ चाइल्ड,
Exactly.
So that they don't understand. So they need to understand this point that आप अर्ली एज में जब बच्चा को, तो बच्चा तो वैसे भी अपनी किस्मत लेके आता है। जो प्लानिंग करते हैं ना कि अरे बच्चा नहीं, अभी हम नहीं प्लान कर सकते, नो अभी हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, अभी हमारा ये चल रहा है। सो वो टाइम में आपका वो टाइम निकल जाता है, एंड बाय द टाइम द एज इज गॉन, एंड देन यू कीप ट्राइंग टू डू IVF एंड IU, एंड यू नो यू ट्राइंग फॉर कि बच्चा हो जाए उसके लिए, देन यू स्टार्ट जो सेव किया वो पूरा वहीं निकल जाता है।
I agree. So, Mahi, you did take a planned maternity leave and maternity a sabbatical, for some time.
I didn't have to take sabbatical.
You didn't take any sabbatical.
No, I didn't.
And you were like, how quickly did you get back to work after your
So
baby was born?
the best part
What was that moment? How did you feel
so
at that
the
point in
best
time?
part was when Tara was born, उसके कुछ 3 या 4 महीने बाद कोविड आ गया था, एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम हो गया था, एंड ऑल द एड्स वर गेटिंग मेड, यू नो दैट ट्रेंड स्टार्टेड कि घर
Okay.
से आप एड्स बनाइए और आप पोस्ट कीजिए, तो वो स्टार्ट हो गया था। तो मेरा तो काम एक्चुअली तारा आने के बाद मेरा काम स्टार्ट हुआ है,
I see. Okay.
यू नो, सो आई हैव बीन बिजी विद दैट। सो मेरे लिए कोई ब्रेक तो आया नहीं, आई एम सिटिंग हियर, देयर इज नो ब्रेक।
There was no break. You didn't take
Seven-
any break.
No, there was COVID for 2 years, and you know, and those 2 years I made money from home, and after that तो वो अभी वो trend अभी तक चल रहा है कि आप ads
You can
डालिए
still
Instagram
work
पे,
from
yes.
home. Okay. And what was that moment when you, like, after you became a mother, you faced the camera again, I mean, let's say 3 months down the line, did you feel any different, or was it just the same for you?
Yeah, I felt my double chin was showing, but that's okay.
But you
that's
accepted the
okay.
changes
Yes,
in your
that's
body,
okay,
and
that's
you
fine.
said that go with the flow. Why
Of
not?
course.
Why not? All right. So thank you, Mahi. Thank you
you so
so much for this heartwarming, completely enlightening chat where you've
Thank you.
opened your heart. You've been as candid as you could be, and giving everybody a lot of insight, a lot of hope that motherhood is just a part of your life where you completely enjoy yourself. You learn to love yourself a little more, along with the little one who gives you so much hope, love, and joy in life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.